Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Craigslist ad. It's been very, very successful for the Craigslist ads that I've created. I've signed up multiple people from a $5 Craigslist ad. So you want to sign up for a Craigslist account, which is very easy. If you don't already have one, you just click create account with a email address, and then they're going to email you a link for you to confirm, and then you have your account. So and what's nice about it is you can post in 3 different areas per account. You could have as many Craigslist accounts as you want. You just have to have a different email address. So you can go to Gmail and just create 10 different Gmail accounts that are linked to your one email, and that way you can actually post up to 30 different locations of Craigslist with the exact same ad. So let's just say, so this is how you create the ad. You want to log into my account. And these are the ads. Now here is an ad that I just did. Now look, I can renew it by or repost it. You just click repost, and you can do that as many times as you want. They normally charge you $5 every time you want to repost it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just create a posting. So if this is your first time to create the post, you want to go create post. You want to go to gig offered, and you want to hire someone. It's a computer gig is what I put down here. And as far as the title, I just put artificial intelligence Forex trading sales. And then you just put where you maybe, I mean, it doesn't have to be your hometown. It can be anywhere you want in the United States. And you put a postal code. Let me see, 32765. And then as far as the job description, basically what I put is just that we have the world's best. Well, best should mean best AI trading software that you can use yourself or sell to others. This software has been averaging around an 8% weekly ROI. For the last 3 years, it had only been offered to the banking institutions. I can even set up your account for free. There is a pay. You always want to put. I put $40 per hour, and the reason I put that here is because I just kind of look at my team. I look at the company in general with as many reps as they are and the money that's being paid out. And it averages about $40 per hour is about what people are making that are getting paid. So you kind of have to have a compensation down here. It's not that you're being dishonest, but that's about what it's averaging right now. You want to show your phone number because some people would want to text you. Contact name. and you can show your address if you want to. I probably wouldn't. Then you want to continue. Now you add images. Now you want to click here. I have a folder that I will create. I will use everyone. I'll let everyone use these photos if you want. That's a cool one. It's kind of artificial intelligence. Now these are some screenshots of proven results, and you want to upload all of these. You can upload quite a few images, 24 total. Add this. You also want to add this disclaimer too, right in the middle. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is not a solicitation to invest. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. That's very important that you have that one there. And these are all different level of accounts right here. So when you're done with images, you click done with image. You just kind of look over everything. It's going to cost you $5, and you click publish. And you want to continue posting in Orlando or wherever it is, and that's where you enter in your just your credit card information for $5. And again, once you do that, you can repost it every single day if you want. When this posts, it will be #1 on the list. But as more and more people post throughout the day, yours falls further and further down. So when you repost it, it goes back up to the top. So you might want to repost it every 3 days or so. But pretty much guarantee you'll end up getting some really good results from just one post. So that is how you post for Craigslist.